My name is Mike and I talk finance, business, and investment. I want to welcome you all to this channel. And once again, it's another new year, and I know it's been a while I've posted on this channel, but I want to assure you that it was not deliberate. I have a lot I was trying to go through with, but thank God I'm back again, and this is a new year. I'm shooting this video the 1st of January 2022. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year to you. Congratulations for making it to this brand new year. And it's so fresh that we have to do or lay certain foundation that will help us to get the maximum outcome out of the year 2022. It requires you taking certain predetermined steps, strategic steps that will lead to that result you will always desire. And so today, I won't be spending much time on this video, but I want to talk on strategies for wealth creation in 2022. Strategies for wealth creation in 2022. Like I said, I won't waste much time, so we'll just dive deep into what we have for this video. So the first strategy you must put in place is having an understanding of your goals. Having an understanding of your goals. So what exactly is your goal? Because when you have a focus, for instance, when you have a focus, you know this is your target. So whatever you do is within this target. So this is your arrow and you're shooting to get to this target. So it means you have a focus. That's the importance of goal. Goal helps you to focus. I want you to understand this, that goals help you to focus. You have focus. If you're going to from United Kingdom to Germany, you have a focus, you have a goal that you're going to Germany. So you know it's from point A down to point B. You will not go to point C, because if you go to point C, you might see yourself in China or somewhere different. That's because you didn't have a goal. So you can't just book a flight, you book a flight to a particular destination. So you must have an understanding of your goals. What is this that you want to achieve? Okay, I want to become financially stable. I want to be making £500 a day, a month. I want to have this amount in my savings account. I want to have £5,000 in my savings account at the end of the year. All this could be your goal. And remember, when you're setting your goal, you must set a goal that is smart. A goal that is smart, that is simple, that is measurable, is achievable, it's relevant, and it's time bound. So these are the constraints through which your goal should be set upon. So you have this understanding of your goal. What is it that you want to achieve? And you are very clear about it. So this will help you to avoid distractions from other things that will come your way during the year, because definitely there will be distractions on social media, on Instagram, on different things that will come out. But with your focus, this is when you're targeting at, and all effort will be channeled towards that desired goal. So you must understand what is it that your goal is for the year. Okay. Now let's go to the next point: personal development. Now, setting your goal, you must develop yourself to be able to achieve that goal, because certain dreams require certain skills, for instance. So, if you want to have a car, for instance, your goal is to have a car at the end of June 2020. That's your goal, is to have a car at the end of June 2022, for instance. Now that's a reality, but for instance, there are certain things you must do to have a car, or if you have a car, there are certain skills you must have to drive a car. That is exactly what personal development is. So you are developing your skills with the driving skills now. Driving skills to be able to be driving on the road at June or July of 2022. So personal development, you're developing yourself with the necessary skills, mental upbringing, the psychological upbringing, the mindset fixation or mindset building that can be able to help you to achieve that particular goal that you have for 2020. So 2020 is not late now. You set your goals. Now in 2022, rather, you set your goal. In 2022, you start developing yourself. How do you build yourself? How do you engage in personal development? You have courses online. You have different online platforms, Coursera, Udemy, um, you have a lot of sorry, you have a lot of those platforms that you can actually have an online course to develop yourself. We also get personal development from audiobooks or buying books that is in line with your goals that is in line with the skills that you need, the skill set that you need. So courses, books, um, webinars, you can buy online course as well, um, podcasts. You can also listen to development from, listen to words of encouragement and motivations from people that is in line with what you want to achieve in terms of your goal that are hitting these dreams, and they are on YouTube. They've gone through a lot of stuff and they have experience to guide you on. So on YouTube, you can also find such kind of videos on YouTube to develop yourself in it. Okay, so that's for personal development. So understanding your goal, personal development, and strategies for wealth creation in 2022. Another point that is very important is understanding financial intelligence. Financial intelligence. Some people call it financial IQ. This kind is different from what you have in school. Even if you studied accounting, if you studied finance, corporate finance, or whatever you studied in school, but it's quite different. So you must understand financial literacy, financial terminology, what is cash flow, what is payback period. You must understand what is payback period. You must understand what is rate of investment. You must understand what is return on investment. You must understand what is assets. You must understand what is liability. You must understand what is income. You must understand what is expenses. Those are stuff you need to start building yourself in. And to advise you, you can go to investopedia.com and sign in for their newsletter. Investopedia, spell it right on the screen. Investopedia. So you can go to investopedia.com and sign for their newsletter. So you can be receiving daily financial words that will help you in terms of building your financial vocabulary, financial IQ, and financial intelligence. This is very important if you will work in you create wealth in 2022. And finally, last but not the least, is investment opportunities that is available. But it's very important because these two and these three will determine this. So understanding of these three will determine this. Okay, my goal is in real estate development. You know your investment is within that line. That is the goal you are looking at. My goal is to make wealth in this particular asset class. You know that is the goal you're looking at. So building financial intelligence also gives you opportunities to understand some of these investment opportunities, cryptocurrency, starting up a business, it may be trading, investment in shares, indexes, and all of that, real estate investment, private placement, as it may determine the level of capital you have to engage in this kind of investment. Um, but these are the necessary thing I think we should look at in terms of running a successful 2022. So without wasting much time, I want you to play this video. If at all you have any question you want to ask me, please don't hesitate to drop your questions on the notification. on the comment section and I will respond to them shortly. Please, we have a goal of reaching 8,000 subscribers before this year ends, and it's my duty to give you educated content as much as I can. And I teach finance, investment, and business opportunities. I trade FX professionally, manage funds in the FX market. But this is my advice for every one of us, and I want us to take this serious, and you will be surprised how blessed you will be. God bless you. I love you so much. Congratulations for seeing the brand new year, and cheers to the win. At the end of this year, we'll all have good thanks to God for what we have done. Okay, guys, see you soon. Don't hesitate to subscribe, share, and also comment on the notification section. Cheers and bye for now.